Dewalt drills are based on this unique concept. They provide style and power and come in the form of a battery-powered, portable unit which is extremely flexible. The links are within the box of description below, which are regularly updated to reflect the most competitive prices. Its 20 volts max rotary hammer drill has a brushless motor that increases its life and durability and also provides vibration control so that your hands aren't numb after prolonged use. Its energy from impact is estimated at 2.1 joules. This is a figure that is not typically found in drills with cords. It's equipped with an adjustable utility hook that retracts that is ideal to hang it up or put it away without the speed of loading permits it to increase the speed to 1100 RPM. All that is paired with a rechargeable 20 volts battery and you'll have a device which is ready to tackle everything from cement to wood. The only problem we find is the power that is available when set to either jackhammering or chiseling. It's great with bits to drill concrete, but it is not equipped with the punch required to break off slab pieces in the event of need. It also drains the battery quickly, however this is normal when drilling concrete. To improve security and visibility, the Dewalt 20 volts max impact driver kit comes with an integrated LED that has a 20-second delay following the release of the trigger. It's extremely small, and has an ergonomic handle that weighs just 2.8 pounds. It features an anvil-style quick release, as well as a one-handed bit loading that can accept 1-inch bits tips. The kit comes with its DCF 885 impact driver, a 20 volts max power battery, and an efficient charger. It is also covered with a 3-year guarantee. In all, this is one of the top Dewalt drills at a reasonable price. It's all in an attractive carrying case to ensure your convenience. The torque control is the top complaint of users. Although you can alter the speed at which the drill spins by altering the trigger's pressure, the torque will always be at 10 miles per hour. It has one battery, contrary to what the descriptions on the internet state. This Dewalt 20 volts max cordless drill or driver kit offers 57% more running time due to the motor's brushless design. The battery pack comes with an indicator for fuel, which provides 33% more power to the device. Additionally, it comes with a compact design that is ideal for working in tight spaces. It features a 3-mode LED light that has the option of a spotlight mode that allows users to screw or drill in the dark, an excellent option for basements and attics. It comes with a high-speed transmission that has 2 speed settings. It includes a charger as well as an additional battery to keep it running at a high speed. Additionally, it comes with a case to transport and store. The only issue that we could spot was the chuck. After putting a bit into the chuck there was a noticeable wobble. Not just a tiny wobble. It was a lot, nearly enough to cause being thrown from the jaws of the. It could be an oversight in the manufacturing process since it happened only to a small portion of these models. This Dewalt rotary hammer drill equipped with shocks is a reliable tool that can produce 3 J of energy from impact. Its 8.5 amp high-performance motor comes with an integral clutch, which reduces the speed of high torque and sudden reaction. The rotating brush ring allows full speed and torque reverse and forward. The shocks are designed to improve the safety and performance of the drill. Furthermore, it is equipped with vibration controls which reduce the amount of noise you feel while working with the powerful tool. This is corded, which means you don't have to be concerned about the battery going out when working with heavy materials like concrete. It is also equipped with a tough case. Its strengths are also an area of weakness due to its range of applications. It requires power for operation, something that battery-powered alternatives don't. However, batteries require power to charge. So should you have a source of power at the work site and require a powerful hole puncher, this is your best choice for corded alternatives. If you're looking for a tool that has a high-performance transmission, then the Dewalt 20 VMAX XR hammer drill is the perfect choice. It provides a faster running time as well as fast applications, and the high-efficiency motor provides an increase of up to 57% in running time than its counterparts that are brushed. It is ideal for use with masonry materials. Its ergonomic design is compact. It has 3 modes of LED light, including the spotlight mode, which is great to use when working in dark conditions, and also has an attachment for hanging it onto a belt. It weighs only 4 pounds, and comes with a 3-year warranty. The majority of these models don't have the typical 20 volts battery. However, they can be used using any Dewalt battery you already have. Sometimes, the motor stops working without reason. The battery may get fully charged and it will function perfectly, and it will stop, and nothing. It's actually a typical issue, and the majority of people think that it indicates the decline in Dewalt's quality assurance.